Bola ng MK.
Hindi ka na, hindi ka na.
Pass to 13. So, gano'n. To... No good. By number 11. Foul. Who's foul that? Foul number 77.
Gagawanan.
Ilang tira? Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. 2 for 2.
Dala ko ng tira ni Angel.
77. Pass to number 11. Bounce pass. Number 10. Spin move. Spin out of bounds. Bola ng pula. Bola ng red. Number 5. Luke. Traveling violation. May number 2.
Valdeo. Rinig ka dito, takina mo. Gago.
77. Bounce pass to number 10. Bigay 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Floater. Good for 2. Tuwali siya.
Uli!
Tumama sa paa.
Dali mo bola, Lucas!
27. Baldeo. Pass to 77. Doki. Hindi pala. 11. Drive. Stepping out. Run.
Stepping down.
Pass rate case. Number 11. Tinabas. Pass kay number 10. Yuda. Tumiran press. Number 3. Number 5.
Kita yun, kita yun!
Lucas.
Kita yun! Kasado, kasado!
Baldeo.
Nawi.
Bumawi ng press.
Nawian. Sa padaw, JR!
Umulit si JR. No good. 277. Right. 2 for 2.
Pangit na student. Hindi siya yung parang second year. Stop yung pag-burn ng ano.
Sumira. Pasok. Easy 2. By number 10. Number 11 pala yun. Number 11. Tama. Back. Lucas. Pass to 77. Doki. Wala. Nabitawan. Ayaw nila sa bola. 11. Binababa bola. Pass to 77. Bounce pass. Number 10. 2 for 2. Easy 2 by number 10. Number 5. Slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to Baldeo. Sumira dress. Wow.
Mainit si Baya.
Mainit. Mainit si Marlon. Layup. No good. 27. Rebound by number 27. 5. To number 77. No good. Foul to number 77 ang Gray. Pass to number 11. Open. Bounce pass to number 3. Block. Counted plus a foul. Block by number 77. Pula. Who's foul rep? 27. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Ganado ka ngayon, Marlon. Maging first talaga. Number 5 to number 27. You know. Back to number 10. Number 10, Tumira. No good. Wali number 77. Pass break play. Intercepted by number 77. Pass to 24. Traveling violation. Change 5. Change 5. Traveling violation.
I know medyo malakas yung second.
26.
I know when I
Slowly driving the ball.
so yung second five.
29 pala. 29. Direct to 32. Pivot take. 71. Crosso. Short. Balik yung 35. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 13. Bad pass. Nakuha yung 24. Tumira ng 3. Kuha ni number 8. Ang bilis. 13. Bump 1. Nilabas. Kay number 8. No good. Air ball. Crossover by number 29. Open 3. No good. Kuha ni number 13. Iwata, no good. Kuha ni number 0. Pasok, bastos, dalawa. 29. Binababa ang bola. Mid pass. Fade away shot by number 9. No good. Kuha ni number 2. Number 0. 15 to shoot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 24. By number 0.
No?
Ah, ito na ba? Fourteen crowd. Good, good. 29. Number 9. Habalin yung ano na, Eurostep. Parang nagtiniking. Nakuha ni 77. 24, no good. Libang ba Iwata? Number 0. Paani. Bola ng red. Hindi gumagana yung pass break na yun. 29. Cassie. Kung hindi mo yun naman nila.
Diba? Half-mount bait. Hindi ko kaya yun eh.
Number 0. Number 8. Pass to 13. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 9. Nagbabagali. Pass to 71. 52. Kontrapasa. Super 2. Adobo connection. Cassie. Number 29. Pass sa gitna. Wala. Libre si 21. Binigay kay number 8. Drop pass ni 13. Number 2. Nice assist by number 8. 24. Si 71. Pasa kay 35. Keyboard cross. Foul. Traveling violation pala.
Why'd you get it?
Number 8. Pass to number 0. Lopez. Cross pass. Number 2. Where you going, my man? No good. Traveling violation ulit. Oh. Wala ka rin natalo sa ginawa ni Derwin kahapon. Puta. Stare down pa yun. Tumira ng 3. No good. Lopez. 15 to shoot. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 9. Pass break late to number 71. No good. Too strong. Number 2. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul number 71. Libre yung 3 points niya.
Ilang foul siya? Oh, galing sa akin yan eh.
First personal foul, si 71. Wala.
Suta ko, di mo ko binibigyan. Eh, hindi naman tayo mag-assist. Size 3.
Parang size ano, foul ni...
Wala na akong size na ito.
Yung English versus China ba yun? Foul ni... Oo, maliit tatlo.
Ano one shot top on him?
77. Tumira. No good. Dalawa. Number 5. Cross. Pass 71. Donkey. Hindi pala. Number 11. No good. Nakuha niya. No good pa rin. 10 to shoot. Magalaw. No good. Bola ng Embrace. Embrace mo. Incharaw na tayo. Baldeo, mainit na mainit. Parang pandesal. No good. Donkey. Number 5. No good pa rin. Foul. Hindi sila makakuha ng rebound. Foul number 10. First personal, first team foul. By number 10. Hindi makakuha ng defensive rebound. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok ulit.
Background laban eh, background. Pero pa 15 seconds, 15 seconds.
Number 3 to 24. Tumira ng 3. Air ball. Pass break play. Air Marlon. Number 2. Tumira, no good. Nakuha ni number 10. 11. Number 77, 3 seconds violation. Medyo matagal, boss. Score natin 22-20 na mga MJs now. Alaska boy. Nagdadala ng bola. Hindi ka.
Sorry.
27. Step back 2. No good. 20 number 11. Balikan. Albert. No good. 20 number 3. Number 3. Bad pass pero hawakan. Traveling violation. Tumaas yung pivot.
Pag sinabi kong Alaskan Italian lang, ito yun.
Ital boy!
Pagka Alaska boy lang,
Si Lucas.
Lucas, dadala.
Number 5. Ang ganda nung hesyo nun.
Bro, I don't even
Good pass to number 10. Number 2. 27. Oh, hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Good luck by number 10. Number 10. Basketball. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul number 13. First personal, first team foul by number 13. First attempt. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok pa rin, 2 for 2. Good interception by number 34. J.R. Lopez. Good defense. Bad pasada yun. Number 11. Too high.
Masyado mataas ang pasa kaya
Masyado mataas ang pasa. 5.4 lang siya.
Corner. Versosa for 3.
No good by Versosa. Number 27. Kitchen. No good. Kitchen. No good pa rin. Block by number 10. Number 3. Big boy. Good for 2. Mean a big boy. Here. Change 3. Change 5 pa siya. Change 5. 3 lang. 3x3 lang. Change 5. Score natin. 28-22 in favor of Moscow. Bola ng pula. Tumira, no good. Pakal 13. Iwata.
Para lang ikalat. Surbol eh, ba? Surbol eh. Natalo sila. Coach din mag-note.
Hesitate plus 3. No good. Pilit yung tira. 29.
Taan mo na daw. Binigay ko ng 0. Corner. No good. Uli.
Huli ulit. Pass break day. To number 0. Napakalakas. Number 2. Foul. Foul 29. Yan lang, yun na yung pare.
Si Dian lang.
First personal foul, second team foul. Iwata. Number 2. No good. Bola ng pula. Number 71. 71. Pass to 29. Tumira. No good. Sabi, libre-libre si Iwata. No good. Too strong. Mali yung finger ron. 71. Pilit. No good. One number 2. Iwata. Libre-libre. Good for 2. 28. 24 pala, 24. Behind the back. 8 seconds variation. Good D by Samontanes. Foul. Who's foul rep? 24. Second personal, 13 foul. Cooler heads prevail.
First free throw.
No good. No. Kobe.
Second free throw attempt.
No good. Ako, kailangan mag-seminar.
Binigay ko na sir.
Number 9, si Walida.
Bali, grabe
Ang
yun.
dami ng binali nun.
Grabe yung bali na yun. Parang si Chamba Juba lang. Sino yun pare?
Number 0.
Iwata.
Number 8. Balikin. Step back 3. Bawag.
Parang ako lang eh. Parang ako lang.
Lupit ng tinira ni Lopez.
Lucero, napakalalim.
No good.
Hindi kayo tinuro sa kanya.
All yours.
Number 71, grabe yung tira nun.
Time out. Basket.
Mataas ang tira nun, pare. Ito yung bago. Panosa.
71.
Uy. Ito na, ano yun? Lucero.
Number 9. No good. Iba ba Iwata? Iwata drives. Not ko na pasa. Foul. Mas mo, tatime out kayo? Abanos? Okay. Who's foul rep? 2-9. Second personal, 14 foul. By number 29. Pasok, first attempt.
Bibigay niya pero siya daw mag-commentate.
Second attempt.
Brave ang puta.
27. 71. Uy! Uy! Black! Isang black ni Wata.
Bawal daw yun.
Bawal yun, sabi ni Watts.
Sabi ng pick na.
Ganda ng pasa. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 2. First personal, second team foul.
Lucero. First free throw.
Walang tira?
Bawal.
Nako.
Siya malakas
Wala ka ba ng seminar?
malakas ang tira.
Sablay. Second attempt.
Lucero. Second free throw attempt. Pasok.
Pasok. Score natin.
Tsaka si first try. First try. Hindi, ibig sabihin nagpa-punch lang. Nag-genuine na.
Yung game na yun, tatlo, apat yung sunod-sunod siya.
Sayang.
Tapos si Gian, kunwari hindi punch.
Number 8.
Pero pagdating
Good for 3.
Hindi kaya lang gusto nila yung laro ko eh.
24 to ganda ng pasa, 71. Ganda naman nun. Wall. 20 to shoot. Lopez. Lopez malaksak. Nilabas. Tumira ng 3. Wala, brother. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Who's foul rep? 24. Third personal foul penalty.
first free throw, may bata.
Pasok, bumawi.
Lista na natin yung pangalawa. Sure pa na yun.
2. 1 for 2.
Mali yung lista natin.
1 second.
Ang jumble ko dito.
Bola ng Moscow. Nag-change siya nung kanina.
Ay.
Ref, bola ng Moscow. Nag-jumble kanina eh, kaya bola ng Moscow. Gray ball, gray ball.
Pare, sabi ko ako daw red flag.
Okay.
Uy, no.
Number 3, good for 3.
Wait, tumingin.
Open sub na tayo ngayon na open sub for third quarter. Good steal by number 10. Yun lang. 29, number 9. Good for 2.
Balik kami, G. Can you get me water? Dag, can you get me water? Thank you.
Lopez. Good for 3 by Lopez. Pinarinig ako takbong mayaman. Good steal. Steal again by number 10. Good for 2. 71. Nabitawan. Tumira. Good for 2. Bounce pass. Libre. No good. Number 9. Layup. Good for 2. Score natin 46-33 in favor of Moscow. Pass number 10. Libre. No good. Libre si 29. Wala. Ginelli pa. Finger roll na lang, Brad. 77. Bola lang pula. Substitution. No good. Maalat si Albert. Number 3. Block. Block by number 13. Good block. Yun lang, walang depensa. Pero buti na lang sa blind. 71. Layo ng take-off. Foul. Foul sa baba. Foul by Lopez, number 24. First personal. First team foul. Bola ng pula. Mabasag foul sa baba. Ali play. Good for 2. No good. Rebound by Doncic ng kabila. Tumira yung Doncic ng Gray. No good. Number 2. Timeout. Moscow. Number 8. Step back 3. Bang! Ganda nun. #71, 77, finger roll, number 2. Number 8. Hugo. Uy, separation. Tumiwata, tumira ng 3. Block by number 71. Nako, sablay. Sayang ang block. Good D. Number 0, nagdigigil. Pasok. By Lopez. Number 9, easy 2. Number 8. Pass sa gilid. Tumira 3. No good. Nakuha number 3. Substitution. Sub. Balbalosa. Traveling violation. Step. Stop and top. No good. Good steal by number 8. Binawi naman. Iwata. Backcourt violation. Number 9, haba. Traveling. Unang step pare. Galing ng tigil. Number 8, puka lang. Bounce back. Inabas, Iwata, tumira ng 3. No good. Offensive foul. Substitution. 5-5 out, 20-17. Second personal, second team foul. Uy! Number 10 to shoot. Uy! Napakalupit talaga! No good. Foul number 9. Haba. Offensive foul. Foul number 13. Second personal, first team foul. Teardrop. Alatasas ng ida niya eh. Same ball. Wally Iwata. Pass to Lopez. No good. Baldeo. Lay up. No good. Pilit. No good pa rin. Ang haba. No good pa rin. Pasok. Sa kanya lang. Good block by number... Good block by 13. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Number 2. To shoot. Doncic. Good for 2. 10 to shoot. Hindi tayo stop time. Running time tayo. Running time tayo. Fourth quarter, last 2 minutes. M-Grace ball. M-Grace. Pass number 9. 2 to shoot. Tumira. 6 to 3.
Baldeo. Si Mal.
Parang sitaw, dire-diretso ah.
15 to shoot. Tumira 3. No good. Ganun spin move. Number 2. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan. 53-50.
Lopez to be discarded. Lopez, pass to number 7. Getting doubled. Pass back to Lopez. Lopez.
Substitution. 6 to shoot. Tumira. No good. 29. Baldeo. Star player of the game. No good. Bounce pass. No good ulit.
Nasa iyo, di ba? Check mo sa bag.
Number 2 by Lopez.
Find it. Wala nga. Nasa iyo yun. Ikaw last may gamit eh, diba? Binigay ko sa'yo.
No good. Number 2. Number 29. Number 2 by number 29.
Can you check?
Zero tres.
Battery.
No good.
One press lang.
Kuha ni number 9. Ang haba. Foul. Use foul rep. Number 11. First personal. 14 foul. First team foul.
Yes, up. Yes, up. Yes, up. Manasu. Deirdre. Samuel. Yes, up. What time is your
Substitution.
I know. What time is your company coming? Napakabigat ng lineup ng Moscow. Dalawang malaki. Dalawang inchik na may saltik.
Wala. Number 15. Shoot. Iwata. No good. Rebound by Monkey.
Who's leading?
Lucero.
Who's leading?
Number 9 to 29. 70 shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good. Abalos. Drive. Good block by number 29. Jambol. Timeout. F-Grace. Bola ng Moscow. Bola ng Moscow. Bola ng Moscow. Sorry, pinaltang ko yung araw. Bola ng Moscow. Tumira. Long two. No good. Pass number 9. 52. All na. All 55. Wala ka.
Yeah.
Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 13. Third personal, first team foul.
Kapatid ni Kaloy yan. Yung number 8.
Kuya Ken. Sino kapatid? Kuya Ken.
Sablay.
Kapatid ni Loy. Kapatid ni Loy.
Kaya pala. Hindi ko pa naisip kung mukha mo.
Sablay ulit. 0 for 2.
Kamukha nga. Nilaro lang kanina si Loy.
Scramble. Iwata. No good. Foul. Foul number 10. Second personal, second team foul. No touch. No good. No good pa rin. Bola ng M-Base. Substitution. Seven to 7. 10 seconds. Tumiran tres. No good. Naku-wall 29. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by number 29.
Ayun ba yung patitat sa IG?
Third personal foul. Second team.
Yun nasa volleyball team, di ba?
Tumiran tres. Good block by number 13. Nakatatlo na si 13. Nakablock ulit yung ganaw.
Extra pass.
Nakuha. Block. Good block by number 8. Bolang-bola yun. Iwata. The Brazil.
7:55.
Traveling violation by Albert. Gagawa lang.
Sila ba? Two timeouts na.
Timeout kami. Timeout kayo? Dalawa pa, di ba? Tama ba?
Wala na mo score. Last 3 minutes na lang.
Off natin. Last 3 minutes. Abalon? No good.
Why do you keep pronouncing it? No! Fucking nasty. Man, don't put that without thought.
Huli. Hugo.
Why be too big?
Tumiran tres. No good. No good. Quarter na Zayan. Iwaka. Foul. Nice foul. Fourth personal, 13 foul by number 20.
Tapos may silver pa ako dyan, kahit tataas ko mag-uwa. Too big! Why be too big? Sab-sab! Ito na kakasiran. Ano ka lang?
No good. Walang tira.
Laro ka dyan? Layo kami. Layo. Hindi ko alam.
Sinasama ko ni Kuya MJ, ayoko eh. Ewan ko.
No good.
Kuya, si J Mark, pag nakabot.
Nakaparaman eh. Kitang-kitang pinapit eh.
Tumira. Good for three.
Now I know where Lloyd got his skills from.
Good clean block. Linis ng block. And to shoot. Haba. Offensive foul by number 10. Timeout and brace.
Bro, I'm gonna warm up.
Ay, good steal. Foul. First personal 14 foul. Good foul yun ah. Foul. Who's foul rep? 77. Second personal penalty.
Kanina pa yan. May condom. Alam ng laman. Ay, gagawin.
Pasok ba? Pasok. Ulang free. Second attempt.
Free throw.
Pasok. 2 for 2.
Sa amin ng kalamangan. Ebo. Dante. Mamadali. Layup.
Lumayap. No good. Bola na ni Gray. 15 seconds.
Sorry, my bad. Di ko pala nawakan yung camera. Sabi lang yan.
Tumira. Foul number 13. First personal 14 foul.
Kaya pa.
8 seconds.
Penalty na ba?
Walang yung tira ni Marlon na yun, no? Five seconds. Final score 62-58 in favor of Moscow. Player of the game.